Hi students, today's lecture I am writing a program in C programming language in Dive C++ software. Find the size of int, float, double and char. Here in this program we are finding the size of the data types integer, float, double and character. Now I am click on the file menu and select new and then select source file, click on enter. Here new file will be open on the screen. Now I am start writing a program in that file hash include stdio.h means standard input output header files are included in this preprocessor directive. Press enter. Here entry of the program I am writing with the help of the int main function. Here in this program I am using int main function to entry of this program. Why? Because it's after completion of the program it terminating the program with the help of the return value, and within the flower brackets you have to mention it what you want to get the result from this program. That all information you have to write in this within the flower brackets. Now first you have to declare a variables. You have to know the variable syntax. Data type space variables. Here I am taking the data type. We are find outing the int size means I am taking int data type to find outing the size of integer. Int type end of the line end with semicolon, and we are find outing float size also. Float type end of the line end with semicolon, and double type end of the line end with semicolon, and char type end of the line end with semicolon, and we are displaying on the screen that int size and float size and double size and char size. With the help of the printf we are displaying on the screen that information. Size of int here %ld. It is a format specifier. We are find outing that information is stored getting that result from this int, float, double, char. That is an numbering format, integer formats. It's like signed or unsigned. That's why here I am taking a format specifier %ld. Type %ld. Okay, %ld bytes \n and comma. We are displaying that result with the help of we are find outing the data type sizes with the help of the function size of int type end of the line end with semicolon. Press enter. Printf size of float size of float %ld bytes \n comma size of float type end of the line end with semicolon. Printf size of double %ld bytes \n comma size of double type end of the line end with semicolon. Press enter. we are find outing one more thing, that is printf size of char semicolon percentile ld bytes \n comma size of char type end of the line, end with semicolon, press enter. And we are terminating the program. After completion of the program, return 0, means it's returning 0. We are entering of the program with the help of the int main function, means it's after completion of the program, it terminating the program with the help of the return 0. And now I am saving my program. Click on file menu and then save. I'm giving a source file to my program. Selecting source file, I am giving a name b2.c. b2 is a file name and .c is an extension of the program, C program. Here I am compiling my program. Why? Because in this program any errors are there in my program. I will check that errors in my program. Click on execute and select compile. And in my program 0 errors and 0 warnings, no. And then I am directly going to run my program. To get the output result, click on run. Here command prompt will be shown on the screen. Here size of int 4 bytes, size of float 4 bytes, and size of double 8 bytes, and size of char 1 byte. Now our program is successfully completed. Okay.